Are you looking to create high-converting landing pages for your business? Well, you've come to the right place. In this ultimate guide, I will be sharing best practices for designing and optimizing landing pages that generate leads and drive conversions. So, without further ado, let's get started. The first thing you have to do is define your goal. Why do you want to create that landing page? Before diving into the design aspect, it's crucial to define the goal of your landing page, whether it's to generate leads, sell a product, or register attendees for an event. Having a clear goal will help guide your design and messaging. Some action steps around this would be for you to determine the primary objective of your landing page, create a clear call to action that reflects your goal. Remember that for your landing page, it must have only one goal. I have mentioned this previously. So whatever it is you're creating your landing page for, the call to action must also be one. You do not want to give your audience the confusion of having to decide between one thing and another thing and another thing. So the clear goal must be that it must have one call to action. The second thing you have to consider is design for your target audience. Knowing your target audience is key to designing a landing page that resonates with them. Consider their preferences, their pain points, and their needs when crafting your messaging and visuals. The way a landing page meant for a male audience, for example, the way it is designed is going to be different from how a landing page meant for a female audience. Your age and demographics also could matter in the design elements that you would put on your landing pages. Also, the emotional state of the audience coming to this landing page might also matter. For example, are they coming with a lot of burden and sadness, or are they generally the happy type? Is it that happiness, the emotion of happiness, bringing them to your landing page? Can you see how all this can affect the aesthetics and the way you present your landing pages? Some action steps around this will be for you to define your target audience and create buyer personas, craft the right messaging and visuals that speak to their needs, emotional state, and preferences. Number 3, simplicity and clarity. Wow. When it comes to landing page designs, less is more. Let me repeat that one more time. Less is more. Keep your layout clean and your messaging clear and concise to avoid overwhelming your visitors. We don't want to have your landing page so busy and confusing. You have this here, this, that, this there. You have like 7 colors on the same landing page. It creates a lot of, a lot of emotions that might not be necessarily playing in your favor. So you want to ensure that simplicity and clarity is all they say when they are on your landing page. It is your messaging that is the most important, not all the design elements that you have here and there on the landing page. So some action steps to take around this would be for you to use a simple layout with clear headings and bullet points. Avoid complexities and focus on communicating the benefits of your offer. Number 4, strong headlines. A captivating headline is the first thing your visitors see when they come to your landing page. And this can make or break your landing page. Create a headline that grabs their attention and encourages them to read further and take further actions on your landing page. Some action steps around this will be for you to craft a headline that communicates the primary benefit of your offer. What do they stand to gain when they follow your call to action? This is very, very important. You also have to test different headlines to see which performs best, because, I kid you not, you might think that a particular headline specifically speaks to you, but it is not speaking to your audience. Or maybe another headline that seems to be passing across a specific message, but in earnest is actually being misinterpreted. So this is why it is good to test your headlines and see which one is actually giving you better results. Number 5, use engaging visuals. Visuals can help communicate your message more effectively and keep visitors engaged. Engagement is very key when it comes to your landing page. As much as we don't want to complicate your landing page, we want to ensure that it is simple and clear. We also want to ensure that you use a lot of symbols, you use a lot of icons and other kind of images that will keep your visitors engaged. So use images, use videos, illustrations that support your messaging and appeal to your target audience. Some action steps around this would be for you to select visuals that complement your messaging and branding. Ensure that you use high-quality images or high-quality videos that showcase your product or services. You could also use GIFs and other multimedias that accurately represent the kind of message that you're trying to pass across. Number 6. Testimonials and social proof. Wow, this is very, very important. On every kind of landing page, always ensure that you have social proof on it, because you want to ensure that while people are on your landing page, they are seeing your authority. And nothing speaks of your authority more than the social proof that you have, user-generated content that is talking about you. So include testimonials and social proof on your landing page. It will help you build trust and credibility with your visitors, increasing the likelihood of conversions. Some action steps around this will be for you to gather customer testimonials, case studies, or reviews. Display social proof elements like logos of well-known clients or media mentions. Get people to talk about you, talk about your products, and put it on your landing page. Number 7, optimize your call to action. Your call to action, CTA, is the most critical element of your landing page, because that is what is actually going to take them to the promised land. Make sure it stands out and communicates the value of your offer very clearly. Some action steps around this will be for you to use a contrasting color for your CTA button. Ensure that the color of your button really stands out from everything around its environment. Write clear and action-oriented CTA text that conveys the value of your offer. Number 8, test and optimize. Continuously testing and optimizing your landing page is so essential for maximizing your conversions. In marketing, A/B testing is something you have to take very serious. Because after you have done all your requirements gathering and you have done all the preparations, you've put in the work, you've put in the efforts, and you present your marketing system to your audience. you won't really know if you can do better or if you are not doing as well as you should be doing if you do not conduct A/B tests. An headline that you think is performing so well could actually perform 10 times better. Another one could actually perform 10 times better, and you wouldn't know if you do not conduct A/B testing. So A/B tests are very important for you to have proper metrics that will help you make the right decision about your landing page. So conduct A/B tests to compare different design elements and messaging. Monitor your landing page performance based on the metrics that you get from this. As a business owner, you can actually learn how to create your own landing page. In fact, my advice is that you know how to do these things, because even if you hire an agency to do this for you, it's good you have the knowledge so that whatever is presented to you, you can review it from a place of knowledge. This is also a skill that helps you to quickly, bring up marketing systems and, create things that you need to run promotions without depending on anybody. If you would like to learn more about how you can start creating marketing systems by yourself, even if you do not have any prior technical knowledge, then I want you to click the link below this video where it will take you to a page where you can book a call with my team and let's discuss how we can help you. If you love this video and you would like to see more of these, please tell me, what other topics would you like me to cover that you think will be beneficial to you? Write in the comment section below. I'm there and I will be answering you. I'll see you in the next video.